Alright, I'm back. This radiator was feeling a little bit heavier, and I realized it's not aluminum. So the plan might change now, because I don't really want to put this heavy one in there. It probably works, but I mean, it does work, but now I'm like, I want this radiator back. I did look online and they have them for 80. I mean, the cheapest I found was like $82. That's shipped too, so that's crazy. That was on eBay. Thinking I should just buy a new one, but that's crazy when I got two radiators here that work. What's happening to me? So I really gotta try to clean this. I gotta see if I can clean it. I'm thinking I should. Like, most the fins, you know, it's not that bad. And in here, just in here and in here is where the nasty water is, so that's not too much to clean out. I should be able to get it okay, I think. I'm not sure though. Don't know exactly. Look, it's already nasty. Y'all see what? It's like, just get a new radiator, Mike. What is wrong with you? I know, I feel that, but let's do it for the old YouTube experiment. I feel like going down in here first. Whoa. Alright, go up top. Let's go up top then. Let the gravity do the work. That's pretty nasty. I feel like it got better. It shouldn't take too long, I guess. Or maybe it just keeps being orange like that. I mean, that's bad. I don't want to put that back into my system. And I'm also not trying to collect coolant all day long here. But I'm already having to get rid of it, so I might as well just go all out. I should just buy a new one. But I'm saying though, isn't that a little bit hard? I got two radiators that still work, and they want me to buy a new one, some cheap one. I mean, these were probably cheap, but you feel me? We're trying. It might come clear. This is the experiment though. This is how you gotta experiment with it. It's for the YouTube. That's looking way clear. That's looking way more clear. It's still looking nasty though. Alright, let's try this again. Which one was it going out of? That one. No, it was the other way around. Alright. At least that's coming off. What I can see. It's still looking nasty. That's still looking nasty. Got me, huh? All right, now it's full. It's nasty still. I feel like you need to just hang out for a while. I feel like this can only make it, well, I was gonna say better, but maybe worse. All right. It's still looking nasty, but I feel like the water's getting more clear. It's still got some stuff floating in here, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just tripping. It looks a little bit more clear, but that's pretty bad. I'm wondering how many of these I'm gonna have to fill up for the YouTube. And this wasn't even that bad in terms of like LT1s go. I seen some real sludge, really sludged out. I want to like shake it. That's probably doing too much. Well, I guess it's leaking. I guess that's where we're going with it. It's just still nasty. That's still bad. It was sitting in there though. That one was sitting. Now let's see what that's looking like. Okay, that's way clear. That's clear. I mean, it does have a lot of stuff still in it. It's like I'm panning for gold out here. But that's water right there. That's pretty clear, y'all. It's not gonna get more clear than that. I mean, it will, because I'm gonna keep running water through here. I think I'm gonna run this radiator again. If YouTube sees this and heard that, they'd be like, what? We know you're for sure running that radiator again, Mike. Yeah, that's too clean. That's clean enough. So there was another bucket, there was another one of these involved. That I would attribute to the radiator. Maybe at least like half of one. So yeah, this is what I was seeing though when people, I mean, this is the amount of jugs people are coming with at the end. It was about 5 or 6 jugs, I can't lie. I watched some other people. That's clear. All right. Because otherwise I'm like, what am I doing for radiators? Now I know.